How to stop Instagram live streams from specific users. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So if you don't want your lives to be seen from a specific friend, you just have to follow this video. So click on those three lines from the right top corner when you are on your profile page on your Instagram, and then from here you want to go to settings, and then you have to go to privacy. So here you have to go to live, which is at the middle of the page. And from here, as you can see, the first option is hide live from. So here I have 0 people. You have to click on that, on 0 people. And here you can choose the people, the users that you want to hide your live streams from them. So you can just select them. And that's it, guys. After that, you just have to go back, and here, as you can see, we have 6 people which we are hiding our live stream from. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can comment down below your thoughts, and if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.